MakingAScene.org brings you The Attention Harvest, using AI to capture fans before the algorithm takes them away. There is a specific rush every independent artist knows. A live clip catches fire, the comment section wakes up, somebody says, "Come to my city," somebody else saves the video, and the numbers start climbing. For a few hours, the door cracks open. Then the feed moves on. The dopamine hit fades, and that initial wave of heat completely disappears. The modern music business trains creators to focus on reach, plays, and followers. But a view is not a fan, and a stream is not a customer. Those numbers are signals, smoke indicating that a fire exists somewhere, but they aren't the fire itself. Look at how these attention machines are actually built. Platforms like TikTok and Spotify are designed to keep users engaged, collecting behavior data and selling advertising. They control the entire path between the creator and the audience. When the artist creates the attention, but the platform harvests the relationship, the listener remains a passive resource. The platform wins the data, and the artist is left holding an empty view count. Building a business requires separating passive attention from active intention. Attention is a user noticing a clip and scrolling past. Intention is a deliberate action that suggests they want more of what you make. There is a golden window. It opens the second a listener feels something, when they hear a lyric that hits home or see a performance that gives them chills. That is the moment they are most likely to step out of the feed. This is the foundation of the attention harvest. Instead of treating the feed as a final destination, smart artists use social media strictly as a discovery door. The objective is to bring people inside. Artificial intelligence functions here as a radar system. It isn't for generating fake art. It scans the artist's digital footprint to detect when a casual viewer shows the signs of becoming a potential supporter. The system looks for specific digital signals. A single view is low intent, but leaving comments, saving videos, or clicking a link shows high intent. Physical actions register even higher. Scanning a QR code at a show connects their real-world presence to their digital identity. By utilizing AI tools to spot these signals in real time, you can trigger an automatic, targeted invitation right inside that golden window, before the platform buries your song under a different distraction. The destination for that invitation is the Fan Passport. This artist-owned memory system replaces scattered social media metrics with organized, actionable data. This requires a fair exchange. It relies on transparency and permission. The fan gives you the right to communicate with them directly, and in return, they receive exclusive access, early announcements, and rewards. The passport maps out the relationship by logging specific milestones. It records when a fan attends a gig for a show stamp, grabs a record for a merch stamp, or identifies their location with a city stamp. Having this structured memory allows you to stop guessing. You use simple automations to anticipate audience wants based on past behavior. If booking a Midwest tour, bypass the algorithm. Check the passport, find everyone with a Chicago stamp, and send a targeted alert directly to their inbox. The Fan Passport removes the anonymity of a crowd. It turns temporary, rented attention into a permanent map of your true support base. Fractions of a cent from a passive stream cannot sustain a career. Direct relationships, however, lead to concert tickets, vinyl purchases, fan club memberships, and durable income. Once you operate an owned digital ecosystem, you no longer work at the mercy of tech giants. You communicate with your audience without asking a platform for permission to show them your work. This strategy is about leverage. Use the platforms to find the audience, but aggressively use those platforms to feed the center of your own business. The new rule for the independent artist is simple. Never let a fan's attention end at the platform. Capture the interest, offer value, and bring them home. You build your own house, and you make sure you own the exit. Make sure you check out the other great articles and resources on makingascene.org, the place the indie artist goes to build the new music industry.